Welcome! If you're looking to show user avatars on Discord's web version after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure you see everyone's profile pictures in your chat right from your PC browser. Let's get started. First, open up Discord in your browser. You don't need to download anything extra. Just head to the official Discord website and log in with your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and profile picture, and right next to them is a small gear icon. Click on that gear to open up your user settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Appearance. It should be on the left sidebar. Click on Appearance to see all the options for customizing how Discord looks and feels for you. Scroll down until you find the section called Message Spacing. Here, you'll see two options, Cozy and Compact. To make sure user avatars are visible, you'll want to select Compact. This layout is great if you prefer a cleaner, more condensed chat view. But there's one more step. Just below the Compact option, you'll notice a toggle labeled Hide User Avatars. By default, this might be turned on after the recent update. To show everyone's profile pictures, simply switch this toggle off. Instantly, you'll see user avatars reappear next to each message in your chat. That's it. With these quick adjustments, you'll have a more personalized and visually engaging Discord experience. Seeing avatars can help you recognize who's talking at a glance, making your conversation smoother and more fun. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of Discord. Thanks for watching.